Hey guys, we're here at CES 2026 and we're checking out CPS PcCooler's booth where we're going to check out some of their new hardware when it comes to cooling solutions, power supplies, and even chassis and cases. They've got some pretty cool tech and they invited us here to check some of it out. So let's check out what they've got to offer for 2026. Now, if you're building AI PCs, high-performance workstations, or enterprise-grade systems, this is the video you don't want to miss. Now, if you're not familiar with them, CPS PcCooler has been around for a long time. But what's really exciting this year is how aggressively they're pushing into AI-class thermals, multi-GPU workstations, and industrial-grade reliability. We're talking about cooling solutions designed not just for gamers, but also for AI creators, data scientists, engineers, and even OEM partners building systems at scale. Now, AI was definitely a focus at this year's CES, and because of that, it's time to start thinking about next-gen cooling for AI PCs and workstations, because AI workloads generate sustained heat, not just bursts. Now that's where CPS PcCooler's next-generation air and liquid cooling solutions come in. Their new lineup of hardware and PC cooling solutions incorporates things like high heat pipe count dual tower air coolers, anti-deformation mounting systems for transport safety, copper bases optimized for long-duration CPU loads, and their hardware is designed for use across Intel and AMD workstation platforms. Their hardware isn't just built to look good, they're engineered to stay stable under 24/7 compute workloads. Now, on display at PcCooler's booth, they had a number of different all-in-ones and creator-focused liquid cooling solutions, specifically designed for creators and system integrators. Some of their solutions feature amazing high-resolution screens for system stats, branding, or custom visuals, which is perfect for AI rigs, studio and gamer builds, and premium OEM systems. I was also impressed with the number of workstation cases that they had on display, as well as their focus on the entire cooling ecosystem. After all, cooling isn't just about the CPU, it's about the entire airflow ecosystem. In fact, a number of CPS PcCooler's workstation cases that were on display are designed for multi-GPU configurations, and in this case, one case in particular could hold and manage up to 6 or more GPUs. They were also designed for large radiators, high airflow layouts, and toolless serviceability for enterprise users. Now, if you're building AI interface machines or creator workstations, this is the kind of case design that actually makes sense. In addition to that, they also had on hand a huge new PSU lineup and assortment for modern systems. In a world where we've got so much customization and variability when it comes to PC builds, power delivery is just as important as cooling. And CPS PcCooler is launching new PSU lineups engineered for modern GPUs and AI systems. All of their power supplies that were on display were modular for different needs and configurations, have high efficiency certifications, offer clean, stable power for GPUs, are built for enterprise-ready reliability, and they're designed for thermal efficiency and longevity. Now these were clearly built with high draw GPUs and workstation stability in mind. Not only that, but they also offer high-performance fan ecosystems. Now, one thing that CPS PcCooler does extremely well is fans. And at their booth, they showed everything from industrial high RPM fans, quiet airflow optimized fans, ARGB fans for creator builds, and also larger 140mm solutions for cases and radiators, which, by the way, are also modular, so you can customize them specifically for your needs. Not only do they offer fans, but they offer a complete airflow ecosystem, not just a single SKU and simple solution for keeping certain components cool. Now, one thing we also talked about while I was visiting their booth was the services that CPS PcCooler offers in OEM, ODM capabilities. Now, this is the part a lot of brands should be paying attention to. CPS PcCooler offers full OEM and ODM services, meaning they do custom cooling designs, branded solutions, scalable manufacturing, and global distribution support. So if you're a brand looking to scale or launch your own cooling or workstation lineup, this is the kind of partner that you'll definitely want to get in touch with. They can offer services and scale and are not just for people like me at the consumer level. CPS PcCooler has solutions and products whether you're a small-time consumer or a large corporate brand needing scale. They've got cooling and power solutions for AI creators, workstation builders, system integrators, and brands that need a reliable thermal and power partner. Now, if you're someone who didn't get a chance to stop by their booth at CES, you're definitely going to want to check out CPS PcCooler's website and or reach out to them using the contact information that I'm leaving in the description section below. And if you want deeper dives into specific coolers, cases, or workstation builds that they had on display at their booth, make sure you're subscribed. I'll be covering a lot more of their products from CES in post-CES unboxing and review videos, building out my own PC using their products. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.